Our district may provide some clues as to his whereabouts.
لم يحضر أي الشهر الماضي حسب ما صخرة ينهي مجلدا
ساعدني قائد الحرس. لتولي أمر شخص غبي واحد. سمعت
Yeah.
The Christians drinking got out of hand. Men dressed as women were dancing and spilled out into the street. And Sufis were passing by. You can imagine.
Yeah.
في حيرة من أمري تماماً. يتعين علي الذهاب لزيارة شقيقتي.
حسناً
سأكون اصطياد العقارب فيما بعد. أخبرته أن
We not report this to the
كف عن ذلك.
ابتعد عني.
أيها المجنون، انتبه لنفسك.
هل ذلك
شبيه الذي حاول تقبيلي مجددا. إنه مقزز جدا.
Is there anything more you can tell me about the Sharia district? Why would it be of interest to Noor?
The people there are in quiet support of the rebels. Common folk, workers, merchants. Come to think of it, Noor did make mention of a new contact. A merchant. It may be this merchant dwells in Ashara, among the dying leather factory workers.
I will keep an eye out for a stall. Go, Enkidu.
Nice to feel useful.
عندما يعودون من الحج سيناقشون الأمر، لكن إنه يملي علي ما أفعله. ما دفعني إلى التفكير في
هل أنا
Just a moment.
Darwish!
Basim? Azizi? I thought you were dead.
I feared the same.
What are you doing here? You? Your clothes? You are one of them now. How?
A hidden one.
Oh, forgive me. This is all too much. When I did not find you among the dead, I hoped that somehow you had escaped. I spent many nights praying for your life, praying that you found safety. Today, Allah has answered me.
I am not worthy of your prayers.
What happened that night was not your doing. It was the doing of evil men. You know this. It is why you have chosen to walk this path. It is why I have found my way to Baghdad. Ali ibn Muhammad is brash and sees himself a great hero of prophecy. I loathe the man, but we fight a common enemy. One I must help defeat if my soul is to one day rest.
So it is true. You are the rebel merchant who was helping Noor.
What has become of him?
He clings to life, but he is safe among our people. I am to continue his work and hunt Baghdad's oppressors. Ali was helping Noor get closer to one such man. But as you may know, he has since disappeared.
He hasn't disappeared. He has been captured, a fate shared by many rebels of late.
Do you know where he is being held?
He was taken to the Khurasan Gate guardhouse. But that was weeks ago. You even leave like they do.
It is good to see you again.
Just watch yourself. You may be in better hands, but I'm still a nagging old man. And Basim, if ever you are feeling a little peevish, come see me. I could use your help. For a good cause, of course.
ذلك أشبه كثيرا بما
The Greek dogs are cunning.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hey! Hey, that's... Help! Thief! Thief! Fetch the watch! I've been robbed! God! Someone's made up
Where? Which way?
first vision. Fled that way. Go!
You hiding thief?
Be my eyes, Enkidu.
Hey, what?
Your stench must
Come
have
on.
what would be real tough to mess with us.
Criminal scum! Help! Murder! Murderer here! No! You will not! Thief! Thief here! Help me!
ما مشكلته؟
Hey, you! A word!
قد قتلوا رقيبا آخر قرب البصرة. عذبوا بضعة عبيد لكنهم أبوا الإفصاح عن أي شيء لإنقاذ رفاقهم. لدي شكوك بشأن تحديد مصدر أي اضطراب يقع في الجنوب. هناك باستمرار ويزيدون العبيد المتمردين.
You'll rot in a cell. Yes, you will.
Citizens, be warned that a nest of cobras has been tormenting travelers who pass beyond our...
Rumors of my villainy were greatly exaggerated. Could you silence those who smear me?
Fear not. I'll turn their gaze. Citizens, I bring fair tidings from the Khalifa. Our vigilance was unwarranted. The rumor... There is no such man. Rest easy and sleep down tonight. Citizens, there is considerable congestion by the Damascus Gate caused by an overarmed
لا تنسى أنه قال ذلك عن من الأفضل ألا أنخرط في الأمر.
This is the outpost Ali was taken to.
حسنا، ليست فكرتي عن قضاء وقتي.
إنه ذكي جدا. سأعود.
Like one of Ahmed's fires, you know? No, not like that.
Hey, remember when I said Wajdi wants us for the escort detail? Turns out the master is sitting tight. Besotted with any contract. So we may get the time off.
Can you explain to me what happened with the vizier? No, not the new vizier, I mean the old vizier. But not the long-time old vizier, the one after that. Never mind this.
I saw that before. Are you and the scribe ever going to play nicely together?
Not likely. The man thinks he can let loose his tongue just because of his rank. If he gets in my way again, I will kill him myself.
And who will record the prisoners then? You? You cannot fasten your own braces, let alone write.
Someone, please help me!
Better keep my guard up. I will find you.
Baby, I go where they will.
Better than being posted to the Greek front, let me tell you.
I saw that before. Are you and the scribe ever going to play nicely together?
Not likely. The man thinks he can let loose his tongue just because of his rank. If he gets in my way again, I will kill him myself.
And who will record the prisoners then? You? You cannot fasten your own braces, let alone write.
If it means we rid ourselves of his blithering, I will happily learn.
What?
Someone, please help me!
Cast your gaze, Enkidu.
Hey! You're out there, aren't you?
Who?
Hey, what's going on?
Show yourself. I know you're there.
Hold on!
Lend me your eye.
What's that thing?
We're not...
That one looks like a scribe. This looks like a scribe's quarters. I will hold on to that for you. A list of prisons, all paired with different marks. Roshan and Fulad will want to hear of these developments.
If I were in Ali's position, I would do the same. An army is only as powerful as its weakest soldier.
Assalamu alaikum, Basim.
Wa alaykum assalam, Ahmad. How was your journey?
I am Abu Jafar.
Right. My apologies. Is there a problem?
Not yet, But we've discovered Ali was brokering a deal with Noor to supply the rebels with resources in exchange for his help.
The Order is a thorn in his side, yes, but Ali has his sights set on the Khilafah. He will want us to honor this deal.
What news do you bring?
Our target is Ghul. He uses prisoners and laborers to dig around Baghdad. Ali and some of his men were captured and marked. With Beshi's help, I freed them. But Ali had been taken elsewhere for questioning. One of the rebels showed me his mark. If this list of captives is correct, Ali was sent to the Damascus Gate prison.
Where are these rebels now?
A watermill, on the northern outskirts.
I will meet with them. See what more I can learn about this deal. Find Ali.
The Damascus Gate prison is the most well-guarded prison in Baghdad. This will prove to be no small challenge, I can tell you. I will scout ahead. Meet me near the prison's front gate.
A moment of your time before you go, Basim. I have some useful thoughts to share.
You have my ears.
First, I have fashioned a board with information brought to us by our spies around the city. Consult it at your leisure. Second, these lands are ripe with materials to improve your weapons. See the blacksmith Jawar nearby. He could help you. And lastly, I am your man for any tool enhancement. Bring me materials, and you will see what mastery I can provide.
Resourceful as always. My thanks, Abu Ja'far. Fulad has gone ahead to scout a way into the Damascus Gate prison. I should find him, but before I do, it may serve me well to seek out this blacksmith. Any improvements he could offer would prove useful. Well met.
Nice to see you.
What have you got today?
Here is what's in stock. I can improve the blade. Need a finer point? that all for now?
Let us...
Please have a look around. I can give it a second life. Nothing.
I will see you later.
So long.
كانت هنا آخر مرة لكنها
الذي عند النهر سيشتري أصدافا. لقد أعطاني فلسين حاسما كبيرا.
I'm going to go hunting tomorrow.